Hi, it's Sarah from Gate 39 Media. Since visual learners make up 65% of the population, I'm going to give you 4 reasons why you should use visuals in your marketing strategy. Number 1, a strong image will drive users to engage, resulting in more views, more opens, more clicks, and greater social proof. Number 2, including a caption with your image will get your content to appear in both text and image searches, thus optimizing your search ranking. Number 3, an image will likely be the first thing viewers see, so choosing the right high-quality image will set you apart from competitors and leave a positive impression. Number 4, images create an emotional response, which could entice users to either share your post with others or to want to learn more about your business. For more marketing tips and tricks, check out Gate 39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for joining.